guys, so this week's update, we completed the bed part. I want to kind of do a brief discussion also on the cabinets. One of the nice things about the 80/20 is you can build, if you saw the earlier versions of the cabinets, it did a lot of work. Obviously a mistake, but that's okay. I went ahead and changed the cabinet style to this, where I just have the vertical and then come back here and then mount to the wall here. And the reason is because I couldn't really come up with a good connection to the top with the cabinets being square, since these vans are also curved. The curves obviously make for lots of challenges when you have stuff that is exactly wants to be square. Let's put it that way. I do have this excuse me. I do have this great tool that I saw on another guy's channel, and it's a level, but it's also gives you where you're at, and you can actually reset it to make level to the floor. And so what I've done is I went ahead and rebuilt these cabinets, and you can see it's probably flickering, but it's 2 degrees high on this side. So basically it's only 2 degrees off from being level with what it thinks is level, and same with vertical. The vertical, it's only 1 degree off from being straight up. And so I have it joined up here. I think the video before my last video where I talked about the issues and being overwhelmed, I don't think I had any of the strapping up. Part of this, so I put all the strapping up, and I did stuff like over here, no gap. I forgot about bringing the wire through. Again, all the different issues you're gonna have to go through. So there's lots of videos where they do it correctly. I just sometimes forget. So I went back and detached some of this, cut it out. Same with over here. I kind of chiseled it so I can get the wire to run through. It'll be fine there. And then the bed, I had originally thought I was going to, right here, have 2 posts going that way across, one at this height and one 1 inch down, and I was going to rest I was going to put 80/20 frame on the back of the wood to let it rest on this here, so it was like a step, and then it would rest in there. But this wood is very stiff, and it's only a 29-inch span right here. Again, since it's 80/20, I was able to modify my plan. 80/20 is obviously very modifiable unless you cut stuff too short. Excuse me. Still, unless you cut stuff too short. If you cut stuff too short, then you're gonna have scrap, and you're gonna use it for other stuff. For example, this little leg down here, which is kind of just a test temp. It's not gonna be that one. It'll probably be something else. But I'll probably use some of the small pieces here and there for building out the water tank area, or over here building the drawers. So it's still can be used, but right now they're kind of temporarily locked in. These are my 2 main cabinets, and then we're going to build a cabinet here, vertical, to tie into this, so that way it'll be where we put our air fryer, micro, whatever it is, and then we'll have a kitchen cabinet this way. So this will be a short update. Just wanted to give you guys a catch up. I'm really happy with the progress. Again, it's very slow. Also, we went to the Masters last week, well, just for a Wednesday practice round, but we were there all week, since it's way down in the southeastern United States and we're all in the Northwest. So basically travel day, almost the whole days each way. So we didn't get to work too much this past week. And I got sick. So anyways, I hope you guys like this little update and see the status, the changes. Again, I got some vid with Jen sitting on the bed, and I'm really happy with the bed. One more thing. We did decide to order the 4-inch memory foam instead of the 6. We'll just use this in the house as a spare. It's really comfortable. And we'll talk to you later. And if you have any questions, concerns, issues, drop me a note. Alrighty folks, sorry for the voice, fighting a little illness, but phase 1 of the bed is done. I'll show you. We can, it is Murphy. Is that what it's called, Jen? Yeah. Murphy style. We can fold it up. I'll show you in just a second. We just want to make it so we could get it out in camp maybe next weekend. So everything is now, but you can see I got the cabinets on both sides. This one on the left will be for the water, and obviously over here is the power. I made them a little big because I'm going to put probably some drawers on this side long, so I can put big things like maybe my golf clubs and or some fishing stuff, and then same on this side. We'll have a little extra space. But let me we'll hold this folded up here, and you can see what it looks like. Alrighty, as you can see, Jen now has it up. It's as simple as, I'll zoom in a second. I put some piano hinges over here. This is 3/4 inch sanded plywood from Lowe's. It's actually almost like birch in that it's really solid, but it's I think 2 plies less than birch, but it's very nice plywood. And you can see we have a 6-inch trifold. It's a full-size mattress, so 75 by 52 or 74 by 52 or something like that. So you can see what'll end up happening is we'll have a cabinet right here that will be vertical, and then we'll have our overhead cabinets up here, and then we'll end up either doing a lock here or a strap or something temporarily. And that's how it looks. So over here you can see I actually have this little trim piece, little 3/4 inch corner trim, which we're gonna put right up here like this to protect it. Haven't done it yet, but we'll get that working. And so it rests on the 80/20 right here, and it rests on the 80/20 right here. So I'm gonna let Jen back up and then let it down slowly. Go that way, babe. Let her go to the back side so she can see how it just easily folds down. And voila, and there's the bed. She's very happy. I'm very happy.